Hi, this is Chef Pachi and today I have an amazing recipe for you. It's concentrated pesto. That way you can have your own pesto anytime, frozen in little cubes, and create your pesto sauce. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 4 or 5 bunches of pesto, wash it, and take out every single leaf. That way you'll have pesto for months. Then we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter of a cup of oil. This is it. You're going to process it and you're going to have a paste. You can add also a pinch of pepper. In the blender or a food processor, you'll be able to see more clearly, but here it works perfectly. Scrape down your bowl of your food processor or your blender and simply freeze it in ice cube trays like I'm going to show you. Check it out, it's a beautiful paste. We put it in these ice cube trays and freeze the cubes. This is concentrated pesto. You can use it, and what you have to do once you're ready is defrost it and add it concentrated to sauces, or if you want to make a pesto, just add some olive oil, a little bit of Parmesan, and some toasted pine nuts. That's it. Look how amazing it comes out. You break your cube and each is a cubic inch and it makes a quarter of a cup of pesto. It's delicious, amazing, and you'll always have the perfect pesto. Here, 3 sauces to come with our amazing pesto cubes. Enjoy, Chef Pachi! Subscribe and get notified for all of these amazing recipes.